Hi, my name is Aaron Smith, and I'm covering the Spark Natural Language Processing API. The benefits of the API are it's an extension of an existing machine learning pipeline API, and it also includes a large number of functions and annotators for common natural language processing tasks. Unfortunately, it's very new. It was released in October 2017. It lacks a lot of critical support and documentation, and has to compete with many other natural language processing APIs, some of which we covered in class. I've chosen to do a use case to determine the aggregate sentiment for the three most printed religious books of all time: the Bible, the Quran, and the Vedas. So my script takes very long to run, so I've actually already performed the script, but we'll walk through the code really quick. So you have to launch PySpark with the package, the SparkNLP API, import the packages here, load the text, then we're going to create the pipeline functions, the document assembler, which is the first annotator, the sentence detector, which breaks it into sentences, the tokenizer breaks it into words, the normalizer cleans the text using regex expressions, the spell checker corrects the spelling, a limitizer uses a dictionary provided by the API itself to convert the words in the text to lemmas. The sentiment detector then takes the lemmas and scores the sentiment. There's a default sentiment dictionary that was used. It lacks a lot, is not very robust, and I would highly recommend replacing it with something else if you're doing this for real. The finisher then cleans up the results. You initialize the pipeline, so the sequence of components above, and then you run the pipeline for each one of the data sets. We then counted up the results of positive and negative sentiment for each one of the text and created a pie chart from the results. This is an example of the pie chart here, and then also at the very bottom here we have all three. There's a bug in the code that makes the default sentiment positive, which is why you see all of this blue, which is positive. You could fix this by correcting the sentiment dictionary that you used.